Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my brother's fidgets. Although fidgets are fun. Watching it, but they're super fun to watch. So like all these fidgets, like these are favorite colors to go. And then these are my other two favorite matches. Two other favorite matches. And then I like these two colors. Yeah, and then this is a squishy. Yeah, I can't smell it, but here, smell it. Does it smell good? I got a Rubik's Cube. Cannot do it in 10 seconds. Like Chinese people do it. So, ooh. Ooh. For some, ooh, white. Okay. I can't. Roomba, be quiet. Okay. Got these. And then I got blue in it. That. Okay. Then I got this. It's not squishy and it doesn't smell, so I don't get that. No, stuff like that. I got these, but the marbles in it, I fell out. Let's make this straight in 10 seconds. Okay, but I got this right. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that took 3 seconds. That's pretty good. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds. That's straight, right? Is that straight, guys? Because, guys, I got this. It's very cool. I can twist it like that. Stuff. So that flexible. Then we got like, I call these coronaviruses. And they stick together. Doesn't those look like germs? And we got these fidgets. They're like stuff that move around like this stuff. And then we got more coronaviruses. Yeah, that's it. So I love you, squishy. Let's see how far this can stretch. I go out of the camera, but it's pretty long. If it's past the camera, that means it's very long. Now let's do purple. Purple doesn't really have any string. It's not too good. Let's see about pink. Oh wow, pink is for the win. But let's see. We still have more. Nah, this ain't good. Let's see blue. Blue. Blue's in the winner. Now, if this one passes blue, then it's gonna win, or blue's gonna win. So, oh my god! It didn't pass blue, so that means blue won! Okay. Now, guys, if y'all guess correctly, which one of these is going to win? Just like, don't cheat, please. Don't. Let's see. Think of the color. Would you want this yellow? This one? This one? This one? Or this one? Y'all know all those colors, right? Okay, let's get up to mixing them. So this one is out. If y'all voted pink, y'all are not correct. This one's out. If y'all voted this color, y'all are out. This color is out. If you voted this, you're out. This is out. If you voted for it, it's out. Purple for the win. Let's put it back in. Okay. Let's see which one get the most bubbles. This one for the win, it got mostly all of the bubbles. Let's see. I'm gonna do a winner with this one. Let's see. Pick blue or pink. Okay, now keep that in your brain. See who wins. Pink? What? How did I even know that? It's my favorite color. It's good. Okay, this candle challenge. Candle challenge. Oh my god. Okay, maybe. Back in there. And bye, guys. I hope y'all like this video. Bye.